Hey guys, welcome to ND72 YouTube channel, and this is my CLK55. So I'm getting the car all ready for going a nice little trip to Mexico. I got some brand new all-season Douglas tires. This whole setup weighs roughly 30 pounds. I'm gonna throw those on it. I gotta get rid of some of the crap off the hood. We're gonna do a nice quick little oil change right now. Just out here, not pulling it in, just doing it quick. Yeah. Also did a nice quick little wash. Not bad, not bad. Rims are all looking pretty good, Now it's gonna clean the inside, and good old Nick Famous 2.0 should be all good. We got the inside mostly all vacuumed up. I got some more track prep there, did some work stuff, radio, and then I'm going to load up the trunk. I think I got like the cooler I'm gonna throw in there. A lot of just like random tools, so I'll have about like 60-70 pounds in the rear just there, but not bad, not bad. Yeah. Thank you guys for joining flight 33722 on JetBlue. We are leaving Miami, Florida. Making one stop down to, oh crap, Mexico. You boys like Mexico? Hey guys, so at this part of the video, we ran a couple runs in Mexico. We ran the C43, which it sounded really nice and really mean. Definitely Hoonanny was not stock. Me and him did a couple pulls, you saw that. And then I ran a E63. That one sounded pretty stock, but the effing camera was a little bit like keyed, like I must have knocked it, so the video was like all crappy. Me and him did a couple little pulls, like we went, and then he just didn't want to race anymore, which that's all okay. But I beat him, he 100% sounded stock. Like, it wasn't that loud of a car or anything like that. He had his wife in the car, so had some fun doing that. Then I go over and get some fuel, as you can see here, and then pull into my mom's house in that neighborhood, and bam, I get a battery warning light and all this stuff, and I start losing power. So, unfortunately, I limp it in there, get in my mom's driveway. Me and her boyfriend, we check it all out, and the alternator took a poop. What also is cool is this was the factory alternator from 2001. Still had Mercedes stance on it, still had the their little blue torque strip on the bolt. So factory alternator lasted, what, like almost 20 effing years. So about time for the blow. I just ran over there to the auto play store. I think I bought a CarQuest one. It was $200 maybe. Threw it right in there. Then I got back on the road. Did the rest of my adventures, but at this point, it kind of hit nighttime, and it was definitely a little wet. So this video I'm going to show you now, I'm going to re-race this guy. This is one of my buddies. He's got a 400, I think it's 400 of the wheel Evo. He's running on E85, more or less basically a lot of bolt-ons, bigger fuel pump injectors, so on and so forth. Very nice looking car. It looks really clean. It's an Evo 10. I think they call it a final edition or last edition or something like that. But white, looks super clean. We were doing it in the rain. Sorry for the footage to be like nighttime. I just got to think a better way the video at night, but you can kind of see what's going on. This video is going to be a little bit lengthy because I'm going to show you the whole back and forth of us trying to do 20 rolls, 40 rolls. And as you can see with the 40 roll, well, I'll let you watch the video. Here we go.
Let me try to do one pull on my own, and I don't know, it looks pretty wet. Let me see. I don't know, that was a 40, and I was spinning a little bit. We could try it, but you'll probably pull hard. Because you hook up, don't you?
We're going to turn right on those.
Alright.
Yeah, my phone's probably going to die on there.
Your phone?
Yeah, it's fucking at 1%.
What the fuck, man?
I know, I'm an idiot.
Alright, so I don't know, I guess
pretty much wrap back around.
alright.
I'm thinking what the road that we're gonna go to won't be as wet.
Alright, cause this is soaked, buddy, you know what I mean?
Yeah, this is pretty bad.
Like I can see all the water on the road right now. You're thinking this road's better?
We're gonna turn right up here, but yeah, I think it'll be better on the other road.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe on the other side it'll be better on this road.
Like over, oh. Alright. Your car all warmed up or no?
Yeah, it's good to go. Yeah, see, it's right up here.
Do like a 40?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll honk. Yeah, no, I can't. Oh yeah, I'm slipping. Right when I started getting up, my ass kicked a little bit. I mean, we'll try one more.
What happened? You spun?
Yeah. And I just got out of it. Right when I felt my ass kick a little bit out, I just released. It's right at the shift every time.
You what?
Right at the shift, my ass kicks. Did you see it or no?
Not really. It seems like it hooked, no?
No, well, I got fucking the traction lights, and then right when I shift, it does all the power and it spins.
Huh. What about like a higher, what about like a 50 or something?
We could try a 50, yeah. Should we U-turn or still right here?
No, let's go back.
Alright. At 50. Shift every time, buddy. Right when I hit third, it goes whoop. Because we're almost neck and neck. That right when I shift, I skink, and you just go.
True. Yeah. Damn.
Let me try to see if I can hook up.
What, on the bridge?
No, I don't think I could. I don't know. That's pretty stupid. Because the bridge looks dry as fuck.
Right.
But it's like right when we get to like solid ground, I just hear all the water kicking up, right?
Yeah.
Because right when I go to third gear, it chirps, I spin, and you just walk. I don't think any lower is gonna matter.
Yeah, it might just be too wet.
We could try 120 pull and just see if like I could get it. I don't know. I'll roll into the 20 pull.
Oh, you want to do a 20?
Let's try a 20. I think we could turn around and be right over the bridge and try 120, and then I'll have to cut it after that.
Oh, you want to do it going up the bridge?
No, not going up the bridge. No, because right when we go to the bridge, you'll unload my car. Back where, exactly when we come off the bridge, we'll do a 20 roll right there.
All right.
All right. Nope.
Damn.
Yeah.
Must suck.
You saw that one though, right?
Yeah, you're spinning.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, it's too wet. I can't even like do anything, and I got like 50 pounds of weight in the back.
Yeah, so as you guys see that Evo, he just had my number that night. It was way too wet for me, driving around on literally straight up almost slicks, well, drag radials, and he has all-wheel drive with 245 tires, so all-wheel drive was hooked. I 100% lost all those races. Literally, like, we were neck and neck, and then right when I would shift, the car would unload a little bit, and I would just start spinning and it would pull away. So 100%. He beat me. No questions about that. I am going to re-race him again. I'm going to head back down there again when it's much drier. And we're going to do it again. Maybe I'll have a little bit more power. And he definitely probably will have more power by then too. But we're going to re-race in the next couple weeks. I think I could either be almost neck and neck with him or start pulling on him. But I hope you guys liked the video. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button. Maybe throw a comment on there. And if anyone else really has like a 400 horsepower car or anything like that wants to run the CLK55, hit me up. Have a great day, guys. Awesome. Little update, E55, spending a lot of money on parts. We're getting a lot of things coming in. That's going to be crazy, really fast, and nice. I got more videos on the ML coming out because you guys have been actually asking for that one a lot. So I bought a few parts for that. I'm working on that car and the death cart. Also with the death cart, that one's coming back too. I bought a lot more parts for that one. I'm going to try to take some time off work, make those cars go real fast, real good. All right, see you guys later.